If your morning coffee could be the secret weapon against age-related muscle loss, would you want to know? Stay with me for the next few minutes because what I'm about to share could change everything. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell, a specialist in scientific diets with over 30 years of experience. 3 months ago, I had a patient named Margaret walk into my clinic. At 68 years old, she could barely carry her groceries from the car. She was exhausted, frustrated, and terrified of becoming dependent on others. Margaret told me she'd tried everything, supplements, exercise plans, even changed her diet, but nothing seemed to work. That's when I asked her one simple question. What's the first thing you do every morning? She said, I drink my coffee. And that's when everything clicked. I told Margaret about 8 specific ingredients she could add to her daily coffee. Ingredients backed by science that could help rebuild her strength, protect her muscles, and give her back her independence. Today, Margaret walks 3 miles a day and carries her own groceries. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what she added to her coffee. But before we dive in, do me a favor. Comment below with your location so I know where my viewers are watching from around the world. And if you want more health tips like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for Senior Path. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Now let's talk about why your muscles need help as you age. Here's the uncomfortable truth. After age 30, you lose 3 to 5% of your muscle mass every decade. By the time you're 60, you could have lost up to 15% of your strength. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it's silent, progressive, and dangerous. Sarcopenia doesn't just make you weaker. It increases your risk of falls, fractures, and loss of independence. It affects your metabolism, your balance, and even your confidence. But here's the good news. It's not inevitable. Your body can still build and maintain muscle at any age, but it needs the right fuel, the right nutrients, and the right strategy. And that's where your coffee comes in. Not just any coffee, but coffee enhanced with specific ingredients that target muscle health, inflammation, and recovery. Over the next 12 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 8 ingredients, counting down from number 8 to number 1. Each one has a specific role to play. Some support your joints, some fuel your muscles, and some are absolute game changers for seniors. Let's start with number 8. Number 8, cinnamon. This isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a metabolic powerhouse. Cinnamon helps balance your blood sugar levels, which is critical for maintaining steady energy throughout the day. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes, so does your strength. Research shows that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 29%. That means your cells can use glucose more efficiently for energy instead of storing it as fat. For seniors, this translates to more stable energy levels and less inflammation in the body. Now let's be honest, cinnamon alone won't build massive muscles, but it creates the right metabolic environment for muscle maintenance. It reduces inflammation, which is a silent killer of muscle tissue. Add half a teaspoon to your morning coffee and you're already ahead of the game. Pro tip, use Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon. It has lower levels of coumarin, which can be harmful in large doses. One small change, but it makes a difference. Now let's move to number 7. Number 7, cocoa powder. And I'm not talking about sugary hot chocolate mix. I mean pure, unsweetened cocoa powder, the kind that's packed with flavonoids and antioxidants. Cocoa contains compounds called flavanols that improve blood flow to your muscles. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your muscle tissue. This supports faster recovery after exercise and helps reduce muscle soreness. Studies have shown that